So hello everyone, this is our vlog. It's me Christian and my partner Gwendel. So this is our vlog about appreciating IT. And now let's start with our introduction.
Everyone, I am Christian Lozano and I am Gwendel Pipito. Welcome to our vlog. Our vlog is about appreciating IT as a international student. Yeah, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
And now we'll discuss about the essential effects and the use of information technology in our society nowadays.
So, hello everyone. So, information technology or IT has profoundly transformed our world, impacting virtually every aspect of modern life. Here are some key points highlighting the appreciation of IT. So, first is communication and access to information, business efficiency, healthcare improvements, and economic growth, and education and e-learning, and entertainment and media, and smart technology and automation, cybersecurity, and globalization. So, information technology continues to evolve, shaping the future and offering limitless possibilities for innovation and improvement in various fields. Its impact on society is profound, making it an indispensable part of our lives.
And to strengthen our appreciation in IT, we personally ask IT student about what can they say about IT and what can IT contribute in our society today.
So, how can you convince other students to choose IT as their course?
As base IT student in CTU, ang ako lang na sulti sa mga estudyante nga mag-college is katong mga aning build skilled nga student sa labi na sa web developing o sa programming. So ako lang masulti nga i-kurso nila lang kagalingan nga mag-base IT kasi dangit yung kayo ang base IT karon panahon.
Good day, sir. What can you say about IT as a course?
As a IT, labi na karon nga nag-eskwela ka sa CTU. Nag-lead mo dyan nagkwarta, labi natin eskwela ka sa syudad. So, ang kaling IT kay, namin dito opportunity na sa CTU nga wala bitay tuition. So, grab na nato opportunity na. So, ang kaling IT kay, nindot kayo nisa sa kalibutan, labi na kagamit kayo nisa sa technology. Then, labi na mo, eskwela ka o ka ng, for example, kanang mga software, then labi na matrabaho ka sa call center, gamit ka na. Kung ano siya IT.
So, what can you say about IT as a course?
Base IT is all about software developing and programming. So all I can say about base IT course is IT course gamitin kayo siya as of now kay laminag full of technology na tapos natakaroon panahon na and demand kayo sa kurso mo hindi kayo demand yan.
So, what do you think is the contribution of IT in our society?
So in today's generation, base IT degree helps the student to advance technology and enhance security, improve services, and support economic and social development. So, ang contribution ng IT kito, mas ma-advance pa ang ato ang teknolohiya o mas ma-improve pa jud ang skills sa mga kabatanunan labi na aning mag-code o ganing magkuhan o web development.
Thank you.
Everyone, can you support?
So, stay tuned for the next video and